Chronicles,
your premier source for timely updates and insightful features.
We are delighted to be your host today. I am Aisha
And I am Varshita,
bringing you a plethora of exciting news and announcements.
Vibrant School Investiture Ceremony. New leaders took charge.
The much anticipated school elections concluded on 13th of June with enthusiastic participation from students.
Students cast their votes in a fair and democratic process to elect their new student council.
The results, however, were kept under wraps until the official investiture ceremony held on the 17th of June, adding excitement and suspense to the event.
Chakshu Dikshit M was elected as the new head boy,
while Punya TG took the title of school head girl.
And 4 houses were officially introduced with brand new names
that reflect both brilliance and character.
The new house names are
Ruby for the red house, symbolizing strength and passion.
Emerald for the green house, representing growth and harmony.
Topaz for the yellow house, signifying brightness and clarity.
Sapphire for the blue house, embodying courage and purity.
The ceremony was graced by Shri Somashekar V. Agadi, Fire and Safety Officer, who attended as the chief guest, alongside Secretary Sir and Director Sir, who jointly honored and presented badges to the newly elected students.
The newly elected council pledged to uphold their duties with sincerity and discipline.
Congratulations to the entire council of VVBS.
A sacred beginning of young minds.
Our school joyfully celebrated the Aksharabhyasam ceremony, marking the preschool students' first step into the world of learning.
The occasion was graced by Priest Sri Raghavendra Joysa and Secretary Sir, who lit the ceremonial lamp and guided the children in writing their first letters.
Parents and teachers gathered there to witness this sacred and heartwarming moment. The atmosphere was vibrant with prayers, cultural performances, and cheerful little faces filled with curiosity, devotion, and excitement for their new journey.
Colorful classrooms, cheerful hearts. Our preschool celebrated Colors Day week in great style.
It was a week of vibrant hues, laughter, and learning, as our kindergarten wing of our school celebrated Colors Day week with unmatched enthusiasm and charm.
Each day of the week was dedicated to different colors: red, blue, yellow, green, and more, turning the campus into a lively palette of creativity.
Teachers made the celebration even more special by dressing in the same color as the students. The event not only enhanced color recognition but also boosted social interaction and classroom bonding.
Stretch, breathe, and shine. International Yoga Day celebrated with great zeal.
On June 21st, the school embraced serenity and strength by celebrating International Yoga Day.
The event highlighted the importance of physical health, mental peace, and spiritual balance.
The chief guest, Sri Murali, yoga trainer Krida Bharati, addressed the gathering, and under his guidance, students performed various asanas, breathing exercises, and meditation practices to promote physical wellness and mental calm.
He was felicitated by our school secretary, Sir.
A symphony of talent, our school celebrated World Music Day with a soulful tribute.
A wave of rhythm and harmony swept through VVVS as it celebrated World Music Day in grand style.
The celebration turned into a melodic tribute to the legendary Lata Mangeshkar, honoring her timeless contribution to Indian music.
The school auditorium, echoed with the sounds of musical instruments and singing performances, kept the audience captivated, featuring classical melodies of folk songs representing India's diverse culture.
Adding grace and encouragement to the occasion was the guest of honor, Srimati Champa Sridhar, principal of Swaratmika Music School, who applauded the students for their musical excellence.
Fostering stronger school-home partnerships, insightful orientation program for parents.
Our school organized comprehensive orientation programs for parents of both the ICSE and state section.
The session for ICSE parents led by the principal, while the orientation for state section parents were conducted by the headmaster.
Parents were informed about the curriculum, child psychology, and activity-based learning methods.
The session helped parents to understand how the school supports joyful and balanced learning.
Bats down, talents up, a day of fun and flair.
Vibrant No Bag Day and round 1 of Talent Search lit up the school campus.
Students from classes 1 to 9 enjoyed a break from books and showcased their creativity.
From singing and dancing to art and craft, making young talents wow judges and peers alike.
The joyous atmosphere fostered learning through fun, making it a day to remember. All eyes now turn to the next thrilling round.
That wraps up today's broadcast. Thank you for joining us.
Stay tuned, we'll be right back with more updates coming up.